Hello, welcome back to another whiskey tasting session. Today we're going to be trying the Dalmore 12 years old. Dalmore is a great house. It's a very good house. They make consistent whiskeys. Price range goes from 40 bucks all the way to maybe $1,000, $2,000, depending on what you can get your hands on. We're here in my studio today because we're not in I own restaurants. Today we're not in my restaurants because of what's happening in the world, so it's hard to get out and do stuff. So I brought part of my collection here to try and share with you. If you have any questions about anything on the shelves, don't be shy, I'm here to do that. So the Dalmore 12, great bottle, great crest, great color. Here's a twist on the color. It's not its original color. They use food additive coloring. It's E150A, sorry, 150A. They say it's tasteless. I say it's tasteless. People say it's not tasteless. I had a bottle of 18 years, like a sample bottle without added color that the companies give to prove that it doesn't taste like anything. And I didn't find any difference. So anyway, that's up to you. I just enjoy whiskey. I don't really care about the debate of the purity of everything. This bottle is a Oloroso sherry cask finish. It's matured into an oak cask. Well, let's pour and see what's up. Go. I would talk to you about the color, but we won't do it because it's not the original color as we spoke before. So let's smell it. By the way, this is 40% ABV, so it's not gonna kill your nose. Probably don't even need that glass to contain the alcohol, but that's how we do it. Well, first you can taste the sherry. Kind of a sherry bomb, actually. Maybe a hint of chocolate. On the nose, more like oranges, orange peel. It's smooth for 12 years. It's not an aggressive whiskey. I think it's geared towards the casual drinker. If you're looking for an adventure in your whiskey, like a Lafroid or a Hartberg or even a Highland Park, you won't find this here. I think it's a straight up glass of whiskey. Let's say if you're at the airport or you're in a restaurant and you want a glass of whiskey, you know, like just one while connecting flights or something. That's what it's built for. It's like a Glenfiddich 12, cheap, consistent, no trouble with that. Let's try it again. On the second taste, because your mouth is burnt a little bit, you can feel the oak. It's a young whiskey. You know what they do, right? With the sherry, their sherry finish or Oloroso finish or Marsala finish, basically they're hiding the age of the whiskey into a flavor. That's pretty much what happened here. It's well done though. Like, it's completely non-offensive whiskey. I think if this bottle was at a table in a wedding, you say, all right, we're good tonight. We're having a decent whiskey to drink. Unlike if you had a bottle of a Hartberg or a Lafroid or Highland Park, where you have one glass of whiskey and your breath smells like you spent the night in the gutter. Don't get me wrong, I like those whiskeys, but I think they have a time and place for it. If I was at the poker game with my best friends, would I drink this? Probably not. I'd probably go towards the 18 because it's a lot smoother, a lot nicer. You can feel the age, you can feel the craftsmanship in it. Would I drink this? Like I said, in a big social event, actually, I'd be happy to see this bottle on the table. I don't know why at weddings they always put crap on table, or maybe I go to the wrong weddings. You tell me. So, yeah. Dark chocolate. On the third taste, you can feel it's a little bit, you can taste the bottle has been toasted. Yeah. A little bit like toasted, like coffee toasted, but not strong. Yeah, I think it's a decent whiskey. Like I said before, Dalmore is never the wrong answer. It's not the perfect answer, depending on price range. Like I said, these bottles go from $40 to $2,000. So I think a King Alexander is here. I think that bottle goes for around $200, $300. I'm not sure, depending again on the state and where you live at. So yeah, that's it. Would this be my go-to bottle if well, Like I said before, it's not a wrong bottle. It's not a perfect bottle either. It's a 12 years, so it is what it is. So in my book, after a meal, after like a good classic burger, have a glass of this, I'd be very happy with that. So anyway, so that's that for today. Like I said before, you see something on the shelf, you don't want to spend money or you're not sure it's worth the money, write a comment in the section below there, and I can take out a bottle and just review it for you. And if you have any questions, I'll answer them if I have time for it. So on this note, have a good day and see you next time for another review.